Dubai Healthcare City is a visionary floating medical complex, redefining healthcare infrastructure through the fusion of futuristic technology, sustainable design, and cultural symbolism. Conceptualized by Calbot Studio, this ambitious project aims to create a self-contained floating island dedicated to healthcare, wellness, education, and sustainable urban living, right in the heart of Dubai. Key features: crescent-shaped floating island. The island's shape is inspired by Islamic geometry, the crescent moon of the Islamic lunar calendar, and echoes iconic elements like the Palm Islands and the Burj Al Arab. 5 functional layers. The complex is divided into 5 distinct layers, each serving specialized purposes, from advanced healthcare and research facilities to residential zones and educational centers, creating a comprehensive ecosystem for patients and professionals alike. Underwater transportation system. The island will feature a state-of-the-art underwater transit system, including a monorail and electric vehicles, ensuring a car-free, pedestrian-friendly surface that emphasizes serenity and accessibility. Green Line residences. Dedicated living spaces for patients undergoing treatment will be integrated, promoting long-term care and comfort within a holistic healing environment. Islamic architectural influence. The design incorporates Islamic geometric motifs, infusing cultural identity into a cutting-edge structure that also nods to Dubai's iconic skyline and spiritual heritage. Smart and sustainable infrastructure. With sustainability at its core, the city will prioritize renewable energy, green building materials, and efficient water and waste management systems. Dubai Healthcare City represents a new paradigm in urban planning, merging medical innovation with cultural depth and environmental consciousness, turning the concept of a hospital into a futuristic floating oasis for health, learning, and innovation. Japan is taking a bold and visionary step toward the future with the development of its very first floating city, known as Dogon City. Spearheaded by the innovative urban developer N-Arc, this pioneering project represents a major leap in reimagining how humans can live in harmony with nature while adapting to the pressing challenges of climate change. Dogon City is not just a futuristic concept, it is a carefully planned, self-sufficient, and sustainable urban habitat designed to float on water. Envisioned to accommodate up to 40,000 residents, the city will be fully equipped with everything a thriving community needs, including residential zones, hospitals, food production areas, and even space launch facilities, all contained within a massive, ring-shaped structure. What sets Dogon City apart is its ability to withstand natural disasters, including tsunamis, which frequently threaten coastal regions. This resilient design highlights the project's commitment to safety and long-term viability. Sustainability lies at the heart of this initiative. Dogon City will generate its own electricity, produce food, and purify water, ensuring complete independence from traditional land-based infrastructure. More than just a place to live, this floating city symbolizes the future of urban living and environmental responsibility. It showcases Japan's dedication to innovation, sustainability, and building a better, greener world for the generations to come. AirSmart, developed by Arwind, is a transformative solution specifically engineered to revolutionize the way industrial compressed air systems function in terms of energy efficiency and environmental impact. At its core, AirSmart is designed to intelligently manage and optimize energy consumption within these systems, which are commonly known for being energy-intensive and costly to operate. By integrating advanced technology, AirSmart not only ensures uninterrupted production, but also delivers impressive energy savings and a substantial reduction in carbon dioxide emissions. This system marks a significant shift in how industries can approach sustainability without compromising operational performance. Traditional compressed air systems often suffer from inefficiencies, such as energy losses, pressure drops, and maintenance issues, all of which lead to increased energy consumption and elevated operational costs. AirSmart tackles these challenges head-on by using real-time data and smart algorithms to precisely regulate and monitor air usage, ensuring the system is always operating at optimal efficiency levels. This level of control leads to more consistent output and significantly lowers the energy footprint of industrial operations. Beyond its environmental benefits, AirSmart also provides a compelling economic advantage. By reducing wasteful energy practices and maintaining consistent system performance, companies can drastically cut down on their utility expenses. These cost reductions are not marginal. Over time, they add up to considerable savings, which is why AirSmart is increasingly being recognized as both an eco-conscious and financially strategic investment. Furthermore, its implementation promotes a forward-thinking approach to industrial energy management. In an age where regulatory pressures and corporate sustainability goals are intensifying, AirSmart serves as a critical tool for companies seeking to stay ahead of the curve. It highlights how digital innovation and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand, paving the way for greener, smarter, and more efficient industrial practices across the board. The future of healthcare, as envisioned by Siemens, is being shaped by a comprehensive strategy built on 4 key pillars, all designed to create a smarter, more personalized, and efficient healthcare ecosystem. At the forefront of this transformation is the expansion of precision medicine. Siemens is working to ensure that every patient receives the most suitable treatment tailored specifically to their individual needs at precisely the right time. This personalized approach enhances treatment effectiveness, reduces unnecessary interventions, and improves overall health outcomes. In addition to advancing precision medicine, Siemens is revolutionizing how care is delivered. By reimagining clinical workflows and integrating intelligent systems, they aim to make healthcare services more efficient, accessible, and cost-effective. Whether it's streamlining hospital operations or supporting caregivers with data-driven insights, the focus is on delivering care that is both high quality and sustainable. Equally important is their emphasis on improving the patient experience. Siemens understands that a more engaged and satisfied patient leads to better outcomes. Their solutions are geared towards creating more comfortable, transparent, and responsive healthcare journeys for individuals. Finally, Siemens is fully embracing the power of digital technology. By integrating AI, big data, and advanced imaging systems, they are enabling faster diagnoses, more accurate treatments, and smoother day-to-day operations. These digital innovations are not just about technology, they're about redefining healthcare to be more value-driven, patient-centric, and future-ready. Siemens' vision represents a transformative leap, one that equips healthcare systems to meet tomorrow's challenges with confidence and care. In the heart of Russia, a visionary architectural masterpiece has emerged. A concert hall designed by the world-renowned Zaha Hadid architects that pushes the boundaries of both form and function. Located in Ainur, this extraordinary structure captivates with its sleek, fluid curves and bold, avant-garde inspired design. Echoing the dynamic spirit of the Russian avant-garde movement, the building's geometric elegance and striking visual language set it apart as a true icon of modern architecture. More than just a visual marvel, the concert hall is equipped with a state-of-the-art auditorium and cutting-edge acoustic engineering, offering an immersive and unforgettable experience for every listener. As you approach, the public plaza surrounding the hall invites visitors to gather, celebrate, and experience open-air performances, transforming the space into a cultural epicenter for both locals and tourists. Upon entering, you're immediately drawn into a world where innovation meets artistry. Each corridor, surface, and curve has been meticulously crafted to enhance not only aesthetics, but functionality. The interior reflects a perfect marriage of technological advancement and creative brilliance, setting a new global standard for performance venues. This concert hall is more than a building. It is a living testament to Russia's rich cultural legacy and its forward-looking ambition. It stands as a beacon for artists, musicians, and dreamers alike, promising moments of awe, inspiration, and pure sonic magic. Dogan City represents one of the most ambitious and visionary ideas for the future of human living. A floating, self-sustaining city on the vast waters of the Pacific Ocean. This futuristic concept aims to reimagine coastal living by creating a smart, urban environment that is not only sustainable, but also deeply focused on health and well-being. Spanning approximately 1.58 kilometers in diameter, Dogan City is designed to accommodate around 10,000 permanent residents with capacity for up to 30,000 visitors. Its unique structure includes an outer ring of facilities, an underwater data center, and floating buildings that house everything from medical hubs to residential zones. At its core, Dogan City is imagined as a next-generation healthcare center, offering groundbreaking technologies such as robot-assisted surgeries and advanced telemedicine, making world-class care accessible from the middle of the ocean. The city places sustainability at the forefront of its design, using solar and wind energy to power its systems, and incorporating disaster-resilient features to withstand the challenges of a changing climate. Every aspect of life in Dogan City is intended to operate in harmony with nature, reflecting a closed-loop ecosystem where energy, food, water, and waste are managed efficiently. Though it is currently in the conceptual stage, Dogan City has sparked both enthusiasm and debate. Supporters are excited by the potential to pioneer new ways of living, while critics raise concerns about its environmental impact, long-term feasibility, and how such a city might affect existing coastal communities. Still, the dream behind Dogan City is powerful. It dares to imagine a world where cities float peacefully on the sea, merging cutting-edge technology with sustainability and wellness. It stands as a bold statement of what human innovation can achieve when driven by purpose, resilience, and imagination.
Deep Flight Super Falcon 3S. The Deep Flight Super Falcon 3S is a luxury personal submarine engineered to deliver a thrilling and immersive underwater experience. With its sleek, winged design, the submersible glides gracefully through the ocean, offering the unique sensation of flying beneath the sea. It is powered by an eco-friendly electric propulsion system, ensuring quiet, emission-free operation, ideal for sustainable marine exploration. The submarine can dive to depths of 120 meters, 394 feet, and features large acrylic domes that provide panoramic underwater views. Designed for both safety and comfort, the Super Falcon 3S is equipped with advanced systems for stability and maneuverability. It accommodates 3 people, 1 pilot, and 2 passengers, and is perfect for private owners, luxury resorts, and ecotourism adventures. Combining cutting-edge technology with elegant design, the Deep Flight Super Falcon 3S offers a one-of-a-kind opportunity to explore the ocean's depths in a quiet, safe, and unforgettable way.